Impacts at 11.0 feet. Barclay Messerly Road, McConnell East, and Milton roads will be flooded and impassable. Additional details at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. The stage was 9.3 feet. Forecast: the river will rise above flood stage late this morning to 10.5 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage 9.5 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety flash. Flood for flood safety and preparedness information. 9 a.m.